She a lot, right? I know, but so am I, so. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by CurlyMeHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now in today's video, we are doing an out the box slay. That means I barely use any product on this wig. Who am I? It's giving synthetic install. This is human, but you know synthetic wigs pretty much come ready to wear. That's what this is giving. A little bit of work and not a lot of product. You could probably put this one on in your car, maybe. So if you wanna see how I got this curly wig together, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlyMeHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let us first get this tag off the unit. Where are my scissors? They're upstairs. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I'm pretty sure this is a 4x6. It only comes with a lace closure. I think it's a 6x4. But as always, all my specs will be down below. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it does not have any combs in the wig. Okay, all you get is the elastic band in your unit. So if your head is small, wear your wig grip, tighten down your band. You may need to use your bobby pins if you need extra security. It does have the cutout C-shaped ear tabs, this little dip right there. I think that's for my ears, so okay, Curly Me, we off to a good start. Now this one is supposed to be ready to wear, like out the box, minimal styling, fluff the hair up and go. Y'all not gotta do a little bit extra though, because she does smell a little chemically, okay? We don't wanna walk around smelling like that. I'm gonna give it a spruced up home bath, okay? So we're gonna do the hair freshener and my water. I was gonna use African wildflower, but I think I wanna use the mango because the mango actually smells pretty good. This is only to mask the smell, okay? After a while, she will start to smell again. So you will need to put her outside to air her out if you wanna wear her without washing her, or you will need to go in and wash your wigs. I always suggest you wash your wigs though, okay? For this already being like a tight curly wig, the curls may loosen when you wash her, but they should still pop back and be nice and fluffy if you go in and define her. I'm going to use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder around my hairline because the lace is ashy and I want this to melt in without glue. Going for a glueless out the box look. This is the milk chocolate color. The lace is feeling a little different. I feel like it's a little more scratchy than usual. Did you change the lace, Curly Me? If you don't know, scratchy lace will take out your hairline. It will rub your hairline raw. All right, we don't want that. So I gotta make sure my cap is right here. I'm growing it back. Let me keep what I got. Bring my scissors off my table in my room. Be careful. Ooh, it's raining outside. Let me tighten down the band. Feels a little flimsy, so I think I can get away with tightening it down to the middle. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me chill out. It does have 2 slots for this wig. Oh no, it has 3 slots. I'm gonna move mine to the 3rd one closest to the back because I feel like where it's at right now, it's gonna be a little bit too close on my ears. All right, let's flip it over. Do you need something? When it's time to make dinner, I'll make dinner, okay? Go ahead and get a snack, Kenneth. If that's what you really wanted, you could have just said that. Let me see those little ear tabs. They kind of fit towards the back side. Let me pull my wig cap down. I don't want to rub my sides raw. Even though the lace feels scratchy, it does feel comfortable on my skin. I don't know how that works, but it works. Thank you. Let me see how the hair is sitting. Ooh, that smell. I can smell that mango in there. I like it. This is how the hair is sitting out the box. It already has layers in the front here. Or not layers, but it has these little curly pieces. Are those supposed to be baby hairs? We're gonna work with it. So I have a little bit extra lace around my hairline that I could cut off right up in here. Just a little bit, because I don't need that much. There we go. I'm not gonna cut into the hairline, just that extra halo look around there. Now I need to fix my hairline. Did they send me clips? I don't think so. So let's use what we have. Where are my little curly cues? Here we go. Had to find them. They in there. Just pull them out. Here we go. Use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold it down. This is not a hold, this is a mold. Some of y'all be telling me that y'all use it and then your wig be coming up because it's a mold. Just spray it down a little bit, right there in the front, right there. It'll still be considered glueless because it's not glue. You're using a spray. Let me bring down this over here. Bring this down. I got a lot of forehead today. Hold up, let me bring it down a little bit. They did send me another Gucci band, so let's put it on. This is already looking pretty. Gucci band. Oh, come on. Don't try to embarrass me. Here we go. Now for the hair, I'm literally just going to fluff it up. So they sent me a pick. I'm going to use that to pick out the hair and trim what I need to shape it for me. On the site, it looks like it has layers. I'm gonna tease it up like this. Tease it up, bring it down, bring it down. I need my other pick. Emmy, this is a lot of hair. It's 250% density. The hair, how it's getting combed out, still very pretty. It does kind of lose some of the definition once you start to pick it out. You can put that back in there with the water though. Some of the curls though in the front are not curl, like they didn't get processed all the way. Yes, it's a human hair wig, but it's not human hair. They had to make these curls on its wig. So this little piece right here, let's go ahead and cut that off. Got some down here. I keep jabbing my hand with this pick because I'm working so fast. Go ahead and use my plastic joint. Obviously doing this may create some snags and tangles in your wig, but that doesn't bother me. Let's go up and under. I feel like this one worked better on my on the curls. Get up and under. It's given almost like, you know, 3 and 4 day hair. Oh, I didn't lift my wig up. Here we go. That's where that back comb will come in handy. Curly me, I would suggest putting a comb back there. It is really big hair, so I gotta kind of shape this the way that I want it. All right, so these right here in the front, I wanna cut. And these two right here. And then you got this right here, I think. Let's bring this to the front. Shape your wig for you. I am getting a little bit of shedding. Let me comb out these ones right here in the front. They're a little too perfect. Bring this down here. Right here in the front. Shake her up, shake her up. Let me just put some mousse right here because this side is frizzier. The hair is really soft, so it does respond to the water and the product really well. See, and I can just curl that back up if I need to. Put some right here in the front. I'm gonna clip this up right here. I'm gonna do my makeup and then we will come back and finish up the fluffing and styling of this hair. All right, let me take off the band. Oh, that Gucci band be on there, child. But my hairline be sitting. Let me get my brush. They sent me one, hold up. It's like a candy wrapper. What in the world? CurlyMe has some of the most natural looking hairlines on their wigs. And I do like that. I'm just brushing it loose. No plucking or anything. They just look good. I like that. What I don't like is that my wig is slipping and sliding. Hold up. Let me do a little bit of contour because even though it looks good under my lights, I can tell. Look at this. If I put my head up, you see that? It will look worse outside. Okay, tint your lace. Using my makeup contour. This is my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. I've been saying this in every video recently because y'all be asking me. Put some on my brush and then tap it on some paper and then tap around the hairline. Let me show y'all the difference real quick. This one compared to this side, you see that? Go ahead and do this side. Get up under that lace because that will snitch on you too. Still glueless. Hopefully I can continue rocking her like this for the rest of the day. Fluff up the rest of this hair. Take off these clips. All right, and this is how we are sitting right now. I think I want to put on a headband. Hold up. It'll also kind of help hold the wig down. Come on, come on. And put some of the hair below so I know it's not gonna rise up. I do want a little bit of lift, so I'm gonna use my TRESemmé Extra Hold Hairspray. If y'all put this on in the car, you're not gonna have a blow dryer, so use what you got. Cut at an angle to give me the shape that I want. Start short at the top and then get elongated at the bottom. If you don't have a pick, use your hands. Pull the hair and just tease it back like that. And I think we are done. Okay. Y'all, look at me. She a lot, right? I know, but so am I. So the lace and the hairline are always like this. Although this is a lot of hair, it is very soft and manageable. If you kind of shy away from big hair because it can get a little bit unruly, this one may work for you. You don't have to use that many tools if you don't want to. The smell though, you gonna want to get that out. But as far as like a blow dryer or a pick or any type of spray to spray your hairline down, you don't need all that. You can get the look quickly out the box if you want to. She big in here. I do wish the curls kind of, you know, went from the root, but because of how I teased it up like this, I can give the illusion that it does. I see a little something. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. This one was a little bit too long And this one is a little bit too perfect. Let me just get these. She fits really nicely around my head, and it's a closure so you can pop it on and off. Let me show you real quick. Still glueless. You can see the track right here. But if I'm not worried about it, you shouldn't be either. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to CurlyMeHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.